Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Steam missing file privileges error on PC. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Steam account. Then, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-ESC. Look for Steam in the list of running apps, right-click it, and select End Task to close Steam completely. Next, click the search bar, type Steam, right-click the Steam app, and choose Run as Administrator. This will give Steam the necessary permissions. After Steam opens, click Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. Go to the Download section under Library. Here, change your download region to a location near you but different from your current one. You can also right-click a specific game in your library, select Properties, then Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This checks for missing or corrupted files and repairs them. If the error persists, go back to Steam Settings, Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. This can resolve issues related to downloads or launching games. Following these steps should fix the missing file privileges error on Steam. So that's basically how you can fix Steam missing file privileges error on PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.